Good morning to you. Today is the day that we finish the car, for the most part. Bumper, taillight is gonna happen. So, previous owner, well, somebody had already kind of pulled that apart. Lights are out of it. Bumper cover, I don't think it'll be too hard to get off. If you see this, it's got some rivet things here. They're already coming off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, hey, that was super easy. So it looks like we've got a bolt there, and once I take that off, I'm just gonna kind of see where it hooks. I'm sure there's some stuff under there, but I'm gonna set the camera up and get started. But first, appreciate you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Because if you're not subscribed, are you really living? The elusive 10mm, it is. Nonsense. Like there's something on the bottom there. Just nice, that side's already off. Something. Clips maybe? Yeah. There's some sort of clips over there, but I can't see them because it's already broken off. I don't know the proper word, but take a screwdriver and push it in there and it'll pop off. Or a knife. Lost my light. here. I don't know what this is connectors. I'm gonna put the bumper cover on first. And probably the hardest part is gonna be able to get those things that I just put back or took off in there. So go turn lights on. Alright. Got the tail lights. Oh man. That one's good. That one's good. Maybe the car's gonna be on. Got everything. Perfect. That beaut, guys. One thing I love about working on these older cars is they're so simple and so fast. Like, I'd say another 5 minutes, I'm gonna be done with this bumper cover. There's no sensors. It's just literally a cover with some bolts and rivets, and that's it. So simple. I say that and I'm not done yet. It'll probably be a nightmare to get this side on. But what I did was, since that's a wrap. Pretty nasty. Alright. So, bumper, taillight. All new, all work well. Bumper works. Or, good night. Taillight works. So now I think it should be ready to be inspected. I got the mirror fixed. So my plan is I'm gonna go get it inspected to make sure there's no issues with it. And then if it passes and all goes well, I'm gonna give it a coat of paint, because you can see this front bumper cover, that's clearly new. Somebody has hit something. Oh, one last thing. This light, I gotta check that out. Let's see. Where are you, hood popper? The hood latch in this thing, the cable needs tightened up, I think. She's a little iffy. You've got to kind of over pull it. I don't know. Kind of junk. But, so this, oh man, that's broken, but it's not a huge deal. So this light and everything works fine. It's just a little bit out of whack because this fender's dented, which I'm not gonna fix because it's not an issue. Like, it's not hurting anything, so I'm not gonna spend the time to fix it. But this light is loose and that does need to be fixed. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a screw and screw that in there to hold it. What I've chosen is your basic self-tapping metal screw. So I'm just gonna screw it right through there and hold it down. All right, so that went pretty well. I know it's not standard, not factory, but it's the fender's bent a little bit, so the mounts are off anyways. So that'll hold it nice and secure. Shouldn't have any issues with the hood closing. So to be quite honest, I think she's ready to get inspected. I'm gonna call up and make an appointment. I have at the place that I had the brakes fixed. It wasn't ready to get inspected at that point, and I wanted to make sure the brakes weren't gonna be like make this not worth fixing, So it ended up not being too terribly expensive. It was higher than I initially wanted to pay for the brakes to be fixed, but it was a couple $100 more than I expected. So it was still worth it. It just cut into what I was hoping to make on the car. So now I was going to do a couple more things to the car, but that weren't absolutely necessary. So I'm not going to do those now. Instead, it's a lot safer than it would have been. So it now has good brakes, has a good tail light, a good bumper cover, a good mirror, and the front turn signal marker is secured. So this is going to be the end of part 3, and hopefully part 4 is successfully getting it inspected and potentially giving it a coat of paint. At minimum, I have to paint the bumper covers and the hood. But to be quite honest, the whole car needs just a coat of paint on it. So that's kind of where I'm at. And anyways, I'll see you guys next time.